Welcome to VSME, listening to every requirement and tailoring every solution. We move forward hand in hand with our global partners. From initial consultation to implementation, we accurately realize every expectation and empower collaboration through professional design. High-fidelity 3D visualization restores every detail, ensuring each solution is both implementable and traceable. Stringent quality control at every stage, building a solid foundation through precision craftsmanship to meet the demands of mass customization. Rigorous pre-assembly inspections eliminate all defects, delivering excellence with every product. Standardized packaging, secure warehousing, and efficient loading. With a global logistics network and multi-channel shipping, VSM Custom Cabinetry reaches every corner of the globe, winning trust through quality, expanding horizons through service. Your reliable partner in global cabinet customization. Contact VSME today.